Hello everyone, and welcome again to another lesson of HTML. And in this particular lesson we're going to look at the HTML multimedia. And what is multimedia? Multimedia includes all the information or the data that is shared on the internet. The data could be in form of text, in form of images, or in form of music, in form of audio, in form of videos. And therefore multimedia includes images, music, videos and sounds and so on. This multimedia comes in form of files, and each media file has different file extensions which tells or which indicates what type of file is this, whether it is a music, whether it is a video, whether it is an image, and whether it is a sound. So I will want you to do research on the file extensions, for example, the file extensions for music, the file extension for videos, and file extensions for images. And now we want to look on how we can add videos and audios on our web page. We have already looked on how to add images in our web page. Now let's look on how we can add a simple video within our web page and how we can integrate those videos. To be able to add a video within the web page, you need to use the video tag. And the video tag comes with these attributes. So we have the width attribute, which specifies the width of the video on the page, the height attribute, which specifies the height of the video on the page, and the controls. The controls specify things like the play, the pause, and the volume. So it gives you the capability to be able to control your video so that you can start playing it, you can pause the video, or you can increase the volume of that video on the page. And within the video tag, we're going to put the source tag, and the source here specifies the URL or the location of the video that you want to add on the web page. So without further ado, let's get started and take a practical example and see how we can add a video. So I'm going over to my home page here, and let me check it out on the browser, and this is my home page right here. And now what I want to do is that I want to add a video right below this heading called welcome to our site. And below this I want to add maybe a video that talks about us or talks about our site. So I'm going back to my code, and I need to locate this position where I want to add the image, I mean the video, and I want to add the video right below here, this heading here, right below this heading. And I want to add a video, and to be able to add a video we're going to use the tag video tag, and within the video tag we are going to specify the width of that video. Let's say 200 pixels. Again, you can use percentages. And the height I'm going to specify 200 pixels as well. Then I'm going to specify the control so that it can give us the ability to start or pause a video. Then between this tag I'm going to specify the source attribute, and the source attribute I'm going to use src, and I want to make sure that the video I want to integrate is within the same project folder as this home page. And now let me go back to my file, and I want to copy this video. Then I want to go over to my project folder, and my project folder is on my desktop and in the HTML project, and I want to paste that video right here. And I can even rename it to give it a different name called responsive design. And then you can see the video extension is .mp4, meaning that this is a video file or a video media. Then now you can come back to my web, and I'm going to type that video name responsive design.mp4. This name should be exactly the same name that you have given here. And now after I specify the video, I want to specify the type of that video, and the type can either be, there are different types of video, the different formats of videos, and I can say the type is video and the file extension is MP4. And then I can as well specify the text that is going to be displayed in case my browser does not support this video type. So you can say video type not supported by the browser. So that if the video format is not supported, then this text is going to be displayed telling the user that there's a video which is supposed to be displayed here, but because your browser does not support it, so this text is displayed. And now I'm going over to save my changes, and now when I go back to my page in the browser, I can see now this video has been added within my page, and it gives me these controls. I can be able to play it, and I can be able, when I play it plays. Hello everyone, and I can pause it, I can increase the volume. So these are what we call the controls, and we define controls using this attribute called control. You can see this video now has this size. When I increase the width, let's say to 600 pixels, the width also increases right here. And if I increase the height as well, the height also increases. So let me put 400 and save, and you can see also the video increases. If I don't specify any measurements and I just add the video, then the video is going to flicker the page, and you can see it occupies almost all the space and it does not look good. So to be able to achieve a better measurements, you need to add the measurements in this format. And that's all about this particular content, and it's about adding a video within your web page. And in the next upcoming lesson, we will look at how to add the audio. Otherwise, thank you for joining this class, and see you in our next lesson.